Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Saya berpakaian biasa ya pemirsa, jangan dilihat saya dari atas ke bawah karena ini adalah edisi icip-icip internasional, bukan edisi berkelas. Kalau edisi berkelas itu episode yang berbeda. Hari ini saya akan bikin sesuatu yang tradisional juga tapi buat icip-icip. Nah, kali ini saya akan membuat olahan pisang, yaitu saya belum pernah bikin jemput-jemput pisang. Kalau bahasa daerah saya, di beberapa tempat bilangnya cekodok pisang, ada juga yang bilangnya cucur pisang. Jadi banyak banget namanya, setiap daerah itu ada nama berbeda-beda ya. Yang intinya pisang dihalus-haluskan, dicampur tepung, digoreng. Nah itu deh. Oke, kalau gitu bagaimana reaksi mereka untuk mencoba cekodok atau jemput-jemput pisang ini? Apalagi cuaca seperti ini, enak banget. Ini gampang banget masaknya, cemplang-cemplung udah selesai tanpa dihias-hias. Pokoknya dikasih begitu aja. Yeah, sure.
Honest opinion, if you don't like it,
Doesn't matter, yeah.
you say it how it is on camera.
So, definitely tastes banana.
That's right.
It's very nice. Not too with batter stuff. It can be a bit greasy. That's absolutely lovely.
And not too sweet too.
It's not too sweet either. It's lovely.
Yes.
I like that.
Just
Nice.
sweet from banana.
I like this one before. You made this one before, haven't you?
No, different. Yeah, every time is different food.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, hello, how are you
good
doing?
job.
Carlos, how are you? The main man, Carlos. How are you, man? Good timing for you, Carlos. How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Yes.
Very well.
Long time not see you.
It is.
Yeah,
Oh, very nice.
good. Do you know what is that?
Like a banana fritter type thing?
Yes, this is banana.
Lovely. Very nice. How are you, Saf?
Yeah, cool, man.
You okay? Yeah, good, thanks, man. Nice.
Yeah, you go for it, man. What I like these bananas.
Yeah, this is another Mutwa. He's a coffee making machine specialist, so you try some food. And what is
Wow. That is
it?
delicious.
You tell us why you taste it.
Taste it well.
Taste it and see what's inside it.
Banana?
Yes, everybody know. That's good today.
Because
Nice.
I'm making pancake like this every morning. Are you recording me?
Yes.
I didn't, guys. And can I get my cup?
No.
Yuni, I'm gonna subscribe you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then watch yourself tomorrow.
Yeah, sure, yeah. I'm gonna write my comments. Guys, turn on the bells. If you not turn on the bells, it's not working for it.
What's that? What's the bells?
You know that.
Notification bell. Subscribe.
Oh,
I don't know, I'm old, you guys
So-
are young. You
Have a good day.
Thank you. You need come often here because he's good in the camera.
Yeah. Just call me. Number 48. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yuni cooks for us, she's YouTube star back home in her country, yeah? So every week she cooks for us. For
Say
the
hello.
residents. And yeah, just try it. If you don't like, you say it.
Is it like dumplings?
Try first. If you don't like, don't
Split
worry.
it.
Yes, split
It's
it.
honest,
Yeah.
it's honest opinion.
Oh.
What does it have? Banana?
Yes, everybody know banana.
You want some? Come on, try some.
Try it. It's
She's my
nice.
brother.
I know, last time I've seen it. Next.
Good.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have a kid.
Do you have kids?
Yes. I
They
have
are
a kid.
blessed. Thank you so much. You want to do the work?
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, love.
Hi.
5162.
Yes, well, before you come on.
Come on in.
Adam,
Let me
ask
try.
him, yeah.
Lucky day today. It's very rare with you.
Okay, you taste it. Okay, listen now. Both of you taste it. Yeah.
Yes, we don't want to tell him what is that.
It's
Okay.
nice. It's healthy
Try
food.
first.
It's healthy. Tell us what you taste.
Hmm?
Okay, and you have it too.
Wait.
No, but you don't say it anymore. You let them.
Eggs.
Eggs. Close.
Uh-huh.
Oh, sweet.
Sweet.
I know.
He knows. He
Sweet
knows.
potato.
No. Do you know what is that?
Okay.
I think
Mommy,
so.
what's that?
I think coconut.
No.
No?
No.
Come on. Once she says it, you're gonna think, oh my god.
Is it close to eggs?
It's healthy fruit.
Zucchini?
No.
No.
That's too posh for us. We don't believe in that.
What you say?
That's too posh.
Eggs.
No. Fruit.
Fruit. Okay, banana.
Yay!
How do you do these ones? It's just mashed
Just banana with the flour and then little bit sugar. If the banana already sweet, no little
Sweet.
sugar. Yes, just right. That's all. Just simple.
And
Hi.
I'm not going anywhere. This is a most famous Iranian baklava.
Baklava. Yes.
Made by layer of almond, layer of pistachio, and layer of almond mixed with saffron. My mom made that. It's for you.
So what you do now? Listen.
Oh my
You like your
God.
come here.
Okay, then.
Come on here.
I
You
love
try
to
this,
try.
and you be a critic of
Thank
these
you
food now.
so much.
You're
I love
welcome.
baklava. Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna have
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's delicious. I loved it. This morning he bought it for me.
Thank you so much. Chef.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Have a good day.
And you too. Oh yes.
Be Indonesian, be happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much coming back.
Nice, huh?
Nice, yeah.
Also, is that a donut?
No, not donut. Try. Yeah. Have to try first.
Like a donut.
It isn't a donut.
It's crunchy. Oh, come here.
Do you know what is that?
No one's at the door.
No.
No.
Did you say come in?
What do you guys want, guys? Describe the taste.
Oh, fantasy.
That was barely it.
Really? Every day you eat that one?
Every day.
Yes.
Can I try?
Yes. Have a try.
Every day we eat this.
Yes.
Taste one and tell me what it is. Because Nanny and Grandad don't know.
It's not rice because I know you eat
I know
every
what
day.
it is.
What is that?
Banana.
Yay! Well done, Dallas.
I don't taste the sun.
You like it?
Mm.
Good. Okay. Enjoy. Laris manis seperti biasa pemirsa, karena orang-orang banyak yang suka pisang ya. Sap juga ini favorit dia ternyata pisang-pisangan ini. Oke, kalau gitu segitu aja video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah berkomen, subscribe dan sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Bye.